So we have made this configuration of the cabinet. Let's take a look, open it. Here are also doors. Let's see what we have inside. And now we want to obtain the documents for this cabinet. What details we have, what are the dimensions of these parts, how for drilling for the CNC machine, CNC, and so on, and what actions we take to obtain these documents. Well, basically now we click on Save, like this, and a window appears, and we click on Send. And I see, as you can see, an error occurred during the order transfer procedure. It is blocked. Why? I want to write this to you as well, because this document, we have this cabinet, we have already sent it to the server once, and this document has its own number. If we go here now, let's see. Number 29, yes, here, number 29. Therefore the program does not send it twice. And what do we need to do? We need to duplicate the document. We press the button and we get also cabinet number 30. We can delete it or keep it. And now let's go to number 30. Here, designing, this you should know. And that's why I'm showing you, because I think sometimes you will have to do the same. We click on Save, and we send it. And you see the order transfer procedure was successfully completed. Okay. And watch what we do next. So now we go to site. We go to the site where we are registered. And if we have this kind of license or this kind of license or this kind of registration license, yes. And in this case, we go to the dashboard, enter the triggered projects, and here we get the documents on the site. And you can download these documents and then upload the program and perform optimization, such as here, how everything works on the site, we will show separately. Now let's go to the mail. Open it and see what we have received. Here, we received documents from the server in the mail. This type of document, we will now open it on the desktop. Sending to desktop. Save as a, okay. Desktop, and on the desktop we have a cabinet one, and okay. Well, now, let's go to the desktop. And what we have here, you see, we have these documents. We now do this with the zip. You see, and we'll also remove this zip from here so that, and see what these documents are. That means for fittings, Excel file. And we received an Excel for fittings, a file where there is code, size, color, measurement, quantity, brand, and dealer. Okay, good. Let's disconnect this one and look at the next. So the document is an Excel file. So what do we have here? This is, therefore, the name of all the parts. Asada, left facade, right, then diaphragm, and so on. Here is how many pieces of parts, for example. We have a list. Here, we received about 40 parts. What do we have here? This is for the barcode numbering, which is a software-controlled saw machine that prints a sticker. And this sticker is then attached to the part. So, there are all the barcodes, and even the barcode for the second side, because this part has two programs. For drilling, on one side then you flip it over and do the drilling. On the other side, this is the program for the other side for the parts. This is the edge, which works as it is edged, these parts. This is the brand, which brand Minivel and Egger 18 millimeters. So color means code, whether people learn 8 and so on, but the rest are like this, as it means you need to fill in the programs so that inscriptions appear here too. This is a separate video for me as well. We will make it for you and you will see how it all works. Okay, now let's exit Excel and see what we have here. This is the DX file. This is all. How many did we get? 40 parts, right? Here are all. On all the parts, here is the DX file. And this DX file is for the program machine. Let's open the portfolio now, for example. Yes, here it is. And here, basically, please. And the port basically doesn't need to be drilled because it fits onto the port holders. And here you see how it is cut. This red line means that step like this. It needs to be cut. Why? Because columns pass through there, and with a girder we clad this column like this. And this is the exact size of how this port needs to be cut. Now let's look at another one. For example, the diaphragm. You see, he sees it. Here's the diaphragm. That's good. Let's look at the diaphragm. How the diaphragm is cut. Here, 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 here. You see, there's even drilling here. It shows how to drill for minifix, for dowels, and how it's cut, the diaphragm as well. Theopragma. You can send this to a CNC machine and that's it. The operator will display the dimensions here, or you can do it yourself if you know how to work with DXF files. You can output these dimensions yourself. Here separately as well, Joe, the operator, knows what to do and how to cut this part. Here's the second side. You see the diaphragm. Here it is like the second side also being drilled. It shows the program. Okay, we're exiting this now. Program. And what else do we have? Oh, we also have this program for the CNC machine for drilling. It will handle all 40 parts. The program will be seen when you pass all these documents to the CNC machine operator or the service team. Yes, you send these documents and they know what to do, meaning with these parts, how to drill and so on. I think everything is clear to you. And so we quickly and efficiently receive the documentation for drilling, for everything, to fulfill the order and create the structure correctly and accurately. Well, on CNC machines, of course, everything can be done precisely and well. Well, with this, we conclude this video. I think you understand everything. And you can look at the documentation and other videos, and there will be additional information on all operations. I say goodbye to you.